weather turns hot, it can be hard to find an escape. Where do we turn to stay reliably cool? Where is there a name we can trust? Introducing the Newair AC10100E Deluxe Air Conditioner, one of the most portable and easy-to-use air conditioners on the market. Complete your daily duties and have peaceful night's sleep, as this unit comes with a 12-hour programmable timer and recycles its collected moisture for continuous operation. The ozone-friendly R410A refrigerant contains no chlorine, so it even reduces the carbon footprint. As a 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner, it comfortably cools a space up to 325 square feet and can be plugged into any 115-volt outlet, making it ideal for cooling medium-sized bedrooms, dens, dorm rooms, or offices. The AC10100E can even function as a dehumidifier and remove up to 50.6 pints of moisture from the air per day. It has convenient and time-saving features such as 3 fan speeds, 2 dust filters, a fully functioning remote control, easy-to-operate push-button controls, and caster wheels for easy portability. The easy-to-install window kit can be adjusted to fit any size window, and the 1-year warranty is backed by Newair, a company you can trust. The AC10100E is one of the best reviewed portable air conditioners online. People love that this 3-in-1 unit offers you everything you need, operating as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and cooling fan. It comes equipped with a state-of-the-art evaporative condensate function, reducing moisture buildup, and a direct drain feature, which means you can wave goodbye to emptying out buckets or tanks. When you need to stay cool, the AC10100E is the perfect solution. Don't let a hot, dry environment keep you from enjoying life. Get the most out of it and remain cool and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on Newair. Newair, a name you can trust.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.